at State Library Station, the deepest of all our 5 new underground stations, some 40 metres underground. And I'm joined by Richard Eaton, who's going to show us all the awesome work that we've done so far and what the stations are going to look like in 2025 when we open, 1 year ahead of schedule. So Richard, tell us about what we're seeing here.
Thanks, Nicole. We're now standing on Eastbound Platform at State Library Station, and just here we can see the platform screen doors. And behind the platform screen doors, the train testing program is underway, and the trains will keep going backwards and forwards without any impact to the station here. Above the platform screen doors, we've got various architectural elements, including a dado rail which will house lighting, and then these strange looking brackets projecting out from the cladding are called backswimmers. They're a light fitting that our architects have designed. And if you'd like to follow me, I'll show you some more of the architectural elements that our architects incorporated. So above us are the orange ribs from which will be suspended these large vertical light fittings, a modern interpretation of chandeliers, and they will look sensational. The orange ribs sit on what we call water striders. They're again another terminology adopted by our architects. They're similar to insects that sit on top of the water.
So when will we see the areas open up above? When will we see the removal of the acoustic sheds and the opening of public spaces?
In Q1 next year, we'll see the removal of the acoustic sheds, and that's at Frankton East and West. And that's really the start of the drive to completing the external works and the entry canopies ahead of the day one operations.
Do want to thank all the workforce and the team here. You've done a fantastic job. These stations are massive. There's a phenomenal amount of work that's gone into them, and we're really proud to be able to share this with the public as soon as we can.
Thanks, Nicole. Yes, certainly. We've had maybe 2,500 workers at any one time on the project, and probably well over 15,000 workers across the entire project over the life of it. This is certainly the most challenging, complex, but also rewarding project that I have ever worked on.